Hey, welcome back to the channel, guys. Today my son is installing the Steeda intake system with the
Pro
tubes.
Flow.
Yeah, what is it called?
The Steeda Pro Flow intake.
Pro Flow on his 24 GT. Those things over there. So he's in the middle of taking everything off. Plus he's got a UPR oil catch can.
Yeah.
So he's putting that on today. It's the last day of February and it's a nice 60-degree day for us, so taking advantage of it. So we'll continue on. We got it all on. Steeda intakes look good. These are the original set with the Steeda that was printed on them. These aren't decals. I don't think you can get these anymore. So, 24 GT, Steeda intake, filters on.